haven't even pressed the play button and I already want to stop watching.
Someone said I'm not a real cat.
You're not a real cat.
That hurt. Ask the human to pop me a chalky cat milk.
Chalky cat milk. I had to research this for the sake of making fun of her. But looky here, Miss Real Cat. Real cats can't have it because it's toxic for the damn thing. So no, it won't make the pain go away. It'll make it worse.
Chalky cat milk make pain go away.
Keep your eyes down and don't ever look at me again. I couldn't help but notice that this cat has piercings. Yes, if you're a real cat, I don't think real cats have whatever nostril piercings you have. Nor have I seen many people dye their cats to look like Lavender Town. Please euthanize this thing.